Have you ever wanted to turn your videos into cartoons? Imagine the magic of video conversion, a digital sorcery that morphs your regular videos into fun, animated cartoons. This isn't just about a novel look, it's about embracing the freedom to creatively express yourself. You're not just a video creator or enthusiast, you're an artist exploring new horizons. Unlocking this magic is simpler than you might think. So, are you ready to start this fantastic journey? Let's dive right into how you can convert any video into a cartoon for free. Before we start, there are a couple of things you need to have ready. First, you'll need a computer. It doesn't have to be a high-end one, a standard PC or laptop will do just fine. Next, you'll need a steady internet connection to download the free software we'll be using for the conversion. Finally, you'd need a video file, any video that you'd like to transform into a cartoon. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to make some cartoon magic. Now, let's get started with the conversion process. The first step in transforming your video into a fascinating cartoon is to upload the video into your chosen software. You can do this by clicking on the Upload button, usually represented by an upward-facing arrow or a plus sign. Navigate through your files and select the video you'd like to convert. Once you've done this, your video will appear in the software's workspace, ready for the magic to happen. Next, we move on to selecting the desired cartoon effect. This is where your creativity really comes into play. Each software will have a variety of cartoon effects, from classic two-dimensional animations to modern three-dimensional styles. Some might even offer effects that mimic specific cartoon genres or eras. Choose the one that best fits your vision. Now that we've chosen our effect, it's time to adjust the settings to achieve the desired look. Most software will offer a range of customizable settings like saturation, contrast, and detail level. Don't be afraid to play around with these settings. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. You might want your video to have a vibrant, high-contrast look, or perhaps you'd prefer something more muted and understated. It's all about what works best for your video. And just like that, we're halfway through the process. Don't worry if things don't look perfect yet. There's still plenty of tweaking to be done in the next steps. But for now, give yourself a pat on the back. We're halfway through the process, and you're doing great. Let's continue with the conversion process. Now that we've applied the cartoon effect to our video, it's time to preview the results. Take a good look at your cartoon video. Pay close attention to the edges and the colors. If it's not quite there yet, don't worry, you can still make adjustments. Go back to the cartoon effect settings. Play around with the sliders and options. Perhaps you need to increase the color saturation, or maybe decrease the edge thickness. Remember, there's no right or wrong here, it's all about your artistic vision. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to save your masterpiece. Choose a suitable format and resolution, then hit the Save button. And just like that, you've created your very own cartoon video. It's amazing, isn't it? With a few clicks and tweaks, you can transform an ordinary video into something extraordinary. Congratulations! You've just converted a video into a cartoon. Let's quickly go over what we've learned. We've discovered the magic of video conversion and prepared ourselves with the necessary tools. We've engaged in a step-by-step process, first by selecting and importing our chosen video, followed by adjusting the filters and settings to give it that unique cartoon feel. We then finalized our creation and saved it, ready to be shared with the world. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity run wild. Happy cartooning!